I'm back from another lazy break, and I'm also back from Open Sauce. Now, if you don't know what Open Sauce is, it was an event up in San Fran of a bunch of engineering stuff. There'll be a vlog coming soon. But this had to come first, and you'll know why. Because the friend who drove me up there is holding my footage hostage. Because I have not paid him gas money yet, and I am broke as shit. So I had the genius idea to repay him by making a lemonade stand, because I owe him $100. Only 100. No, just flat out no rate of anything else. 100. Yeah, we're doing a lemonade stand. We're making a lemonade stand. I originally got the idea because there's a taco stand that's right across from my street there every single night, like at 5 p.m. And I realized, hey, they make a lot of money. And, well, I should do something with this useless car from Open Sauce we made. You won't get to see until you watch the next video. But it has a bunch of parts we could put to use to make a physical grinder. And then I found a bunch of 2x4s and wood laying around the house, and, well, made a makeshift jerry-rigged table. I made the grinder from the Power Wheels motors. They're simply DC 12-volt motors that I overvolted to 18 volts, hooked them up to lead-acid batteries, and then had a switch in place in between. The head was simply 3D printed and was just a juice grinder file I found off of Thingiverse. After we finished assembling it, we dragged it out to the edge of the street, set up, and then we began to sell the lemonade. This is how we are making lemonade. Where's the lever? Alright, we cut our lemon. And when we get our juicer going, it's actually working. Juicy. So now we take our sugar. Add some ice.
Got it. Shake.
Might be a little sugary,
Pour
but
it in,
whatever.
let's see it.
Lemonade, guys?
We literally are making it.
Yeah, I know.
In the middle of making it and still advertising.
Hey, you gotta make
The
that
grind never
dough.
stops. Grind never stops.
Grind never stops.
Go run it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, what is that, 62 now?
It's 65, it was 5.
Oh, 65,
Yeah.
okay.
Dude, come on.
Did you give someone the cup that was sitting in here? I drank out of that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
We put it on the bottom. Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay. Pour 'em a cup. Fast. They're on the road.
I'm going. No change either, because we don't give refunds.
How much did he give you?
$5.
Yeah.
This is I knew I would get sympathy for this. This is why I knew it
How
worked.
much do you have? How much do you have?
Probably about 50. Probably about.
Sit on that burrito.
So what we can do is when the customer comes up, we break the whole stand. They think they broke it. Then we can.
Oh, they gotta
they gotta pay the whole thing.
You gotta pay $100 to fix this.
We need limes.
There's that old guy across the street who's sitting there all day.
Yeah, he's always there every day. That's the guy I was talking about. Man smokes every day.
Yeah, look at him.
Man chills practically
Focus.
naked, smoking cigarette. Lemonade.
$2. He is chilling up there.
I was saying more like to write $2 on it.
I like the smell of spray paint. I can feel my brain cells dying.
What the fuck is that?
Lemon. Bro really wrote lemon on there.
Alright, now I gotta get $2.
No, we should just put it here, honestly. How are you gonna?
No, he's got sign spin.
He's gonna sign a sign that is in all black that says lemon.
We'll see if it works. I mean, I got red spray paint and I got a light blue, but it's like basically out. If you want me to grab it.
Yes. I am the artistic sign man. Look at how beautiful the art is. Look at that. I'm gonna go spin it in a minute. That rhymed. Nice juicy lemons, come on.
He shook his head, man. He shook his head.
Get nothing here. I will bash this on his head.
Oh, you do, huh?
See what happens.
That was sick. People either loving it or they're mean mugging you like crazy. They're selling flowers.
We're competing with the food stand, and they're competing with us.
Yeah, it's a vibrant.
It's a booming economy here in Santa Ana.
This is not Santa Ana.
Tustin, Santa Ana, whatever, same thing. You go up the street a little ways, it's Santa Ana.
Okay, don't do that. I feel like that's a little too confrontational.
Hey, I was just holding the sign up. That way. Go grab some. That's what I should put. I gotta put an arrow on it.
He's getting it. He's grabbing it.
Yeah. You better be getting it. I've broken it. That hurt it. That was right on mine. Mine is not dry enough. Gross. You guys want some? Yeah. Let's go.
A donation.
Yeah, donation. We'll go run it back there. Watch the sign. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll stay here a little longer for that one.
You gotta do more spins. Spin it, spin it, spin it. Come on.
Oh yeah. I'm so skilled.
I mean, it's like Erik hat scrap wood.
It's like all chicken all over the place when I drop it. It's alright. Yo lady, you want some lemonade?
You got absolutely mean mugged.
That
was intense.
That was like a evil eye.
Oh my.
That mom was. The kid was looking at me. She looked interested, but the mom, man.
Brutal.
I gotta go spin some more.
Oh, come on, that's fun.
I'm already injured.
Fuck you and your OSIC complaints. No workplace violations. We get on camera.
Yeah, it's corny as hell.
I don't care.
Okay, why are you doing that?
Because it walks. I have to, or else you have to like, I can't get on.
It doesn't. You unscrew it. I did it earlier.
It doesn't screw.
Look. Put it on.
Fine, show me. Oh, wait, you're gonna get your spray paint hands on it.
Whoa.
You got spray paint junk on it.
Alright, well now that we sold all our merchandise, let's do a cost efficiency analysis of the whole project. So the total material cost of all the wood, 2x4s, sheets of plywood, 3D prints, Power Wheels itself, the batteries, the motor, was a total of $586.33. The main cost there is the Power Wheels. For the lemon, sugar, water, brings us $127.23, and mainly because the lemons were sourced from San Diego at my grandparents' house, leaving us in the red of -603.56. But none of that matters because all this stuff I got for free, so technically we made a profit of $110. Yeah, Anthony stole $2.
Take half, I take half. Erik doesn't know, it doesn't hurt him.
I just thought of a great scam we can pull.
So that brought us to 108. Yeah, we had to buy 2 bags of lemons while we were selling. So that brought us to 100 flat out, which went all to my friend Diggin. So our final total profit was 0. Yay. Well, that finally brings us to the end of the video. I'm so freaking tired. I've been editing nonstop on this video. Subscribe, leave a comment, join the Discord. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching.
use the focus.
There's a button to focus?
Oh my god. I want to like kill myself. You are making me cringe. Yeah, okay. Screw it. I'll put on autofocus and basically you're just going to hold this phone. Focus.